going to present the strategic visionary strategic map, outline of strategic visionary strategic map of India to elevate its position in the global position in the WhatsApp till 2035. So this initiative in the phases. So first phase is the assessment and planning. So in the first phase we are going till 2024 to 2025. In the first phase, first thing we are going to do naval asset audit. In this we till now we have the information 103 active units in WhatsApp in which aircraft carrier, destroyer, frigates and submarine are there. And second is the technology benchmarking. As we know that the USA, Russia and Japan, these are the countries which are at the top on the WhatsApp manufacturing, and they have the far superior technology than us. So we are going to benchmark the technology which they have. After that, phase 2 is started. After the stakeholders permission, we can start the phase 2, which is the infrastructure and policy making till 2025 to 27. In this we are going to number 1 policy revision effort. In this we as we know that India defense budget is 2.15% of the India GDP, which is not sufficient to come to the top 3 global position in WhatsApp. So we have to increase the budget. And shipyard expansion planning. In this we have also required the naval bases, which is not sufficient to carry 200 or more than 200 ships in India. So after that we go to the third phase, in which we are going to build the technology and alliance building phase is going to happen from 2027 to 32. Number 1 is the technology development. We try to invest in the research and development for the technology development in India only, which is required transfer of technology and other initiatives. After that, second, we can do strengthening alliances from USA, Canada, USA, it's Russia, Japan. So we can take technology, we can do transfer of technology. After all these things, we can go for the phase 4, which is going to present by Indrajit.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, friends. I am Indrajit. Now I am going to talk about the fourth phase, which is from 2032 to 35. In that case, we will talk about the advancing training rollout and the production and operational readiness. So, in the first advancing training and rollout. So, as we all know that in these phases from 2024 to 2032, we are developing the technologies and all. So we need to pay attention on the training. So in these areas we will focus on the joint exercise, which will increase the knowledge and the to use all the technologies which is being advanced, which is being developed in this area in these years. So another thing is continuous assessment, which is also necessary for the technology which is being developed. So in the next part, which is about the production and operational readiness. So in these areas, we need to take a long-term procurement plan and also focus on R&D, increase funding and research R&D for R&D, because ultimately we need the funding to develop all these technologies and all. So thank you.
First, tell me, why do you take 3 years for policy revisions and all? What are the policy that needs to be revised? Why 3 years are required for that?
Other than policy revision, we also have to shipyard expansion planning.
Okay, but planning and policy, why? And what are the policies that need to be revised?
We have to increase the budget from the GDP.
So you need 3 years to increase the budget. And my question is, why did you keep 3 years for that?
Willingness of the government, willingness of the government to increase the budget.
So this is based on past things or is it your assumption?
Yes, based on past.
Okay. So any issues you find in the policies, or what are the policies related to this?
India's GDP, India's defense budget is India's defense budget is 2.14% of the defense budget of the total GDP. So this budget is not
The
sufficient.
budget is one thing. Budget is a completely different thing. Any policy related to this? Did you find when you were researching? Did you find any policy or any policy issues related to this?
Currently, all those companies which are involved in making the shipbuilding, they are not. They are only manufacturing for Indian Navy. They are not exporting anything outside of India. Or our market share of the global industry is more less than 1% in shipbuilding.
So is there any reason for that, or they are not capable to do so, or any policy is restricting them to do so?
Till now, policy is not there. Currently, Atmanirbhar Bharat and Made in India is all there. So they are increasing their capacity to export to global.
What is the process of this technology benchmarking?
The technology benchmarking, we try to benchmark with the top nations like USA and Russia, what technology they are using and what they are capable. And we try to match their capabilities.
So what are the current most advanced technologies in this area?
USA has the most current.
What is that technology?
They have the most agile aircraft.
Aircraft you are talking about?
Air carrier.
Air carrier. चलो ठीक है.
Good. So there was a breakdown, still you made it. Thank
I
you very
still
much.
more structured, I think, and they try to make it in
Ah.
phase, at least define that whole thing in a phase manner.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.